Hi guys, it's Andre back at it again with another video.
That's my line, get out. How's it going, guys? Andre back here with yet another video. Today we are doing some product photography. We just saw one of Peter McKinnon's videos and we decided to give it a try as well. I'm here with my buddy Robert. He's gonna introduce himself real quick.
Hi, it's Robert. Follow me on Instagram at I am Robert Sturbu.
Shameless plug nonetheless. Today we saw the video from Peter McKinnon, so again we're gonna give it a try with some product photography. What camera gear are we using today?
My camera A7R Mark III.
Mark III, what lens?
Tamron 28-75 f2.8, but we're gonna use the f11. That's about it. I think that's enough talk, and
let's get to shooting
some photos.
Alright, so this is the setup that we're currently using. We have seamless paper backdrop, Savage backdrop for our black background. PetSmart fish tank, about what, 30 bucks? Is that what I paid, $30 for the fish tank? And then we're using Godox SL60, C-stand, and a 36-inch rapid box over top to illuminate the fish tank. Then we're using two $30 strobes to each side, newer or Yangnuo. And then another one over to this side. We have the X2T trigger on the camera. And then we're using the Godox V1 to trigger everything all together. All right, so when we took a few test shots, we ran into a few issues. Let's go over here and take a look at what we have. Let's see if I can focus this. Right here, this one looks pretty good. I'll focus, baby. Right, okay, so this one right here looks pretty good. This is the last one that we just did. 1/60th of a second, f11 ISO 320. Looks pretty good. What we initially ran into is we could see reflections. So what we added was a CPL filter. So from here, where we can see all the bubbles, we switched to this. So our settings are gonna remain 1/60th of a second, f11 ISO 320. And right now we just have Robert over here setting up the last flash so we can get a little bit more of a light right above from where the camera's triggered. We're gonna set this up, we're gonna do a few more shots, maybe some slow-mo. You ready?
Always.
Oh my god. Here, let's see the other shot. Oh, okay, that GoPro shot though.
The GoPro one.
That GoPro shot. That turned out sweet.
Hopefully this way we get the...
Alright, so we ended up doing a few different things. We did the orange, we did the GoPro, and we did a bottle of cologne. Now we can change roles, Rob. So you can drop some in.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You're gonna give me that benefit?
Yes.
Now I'll let you do it. I'll let you play with the water. The water's too
My hands are cold, so you're next. 2, 1. Oh, baby.
Seems like I'm doing a better job than you do.
Or maybe I'm just better at clicking the shutter. Hold on, look at this.
That's cold art.
That's beautiful. That's a money shot. If only we still had Red Bull left.